What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. So today's video, Eagle Lights was nice enough to send us a new air cleaner to put on our 2022 Heritage Classic. But today's video is going to happen a little bit differently. I'm not going to be installing it. Mrs. Gears is going to be installing it. For those of you that haven't met her or seen her, she's normally in the chat. You can check out her Instagram. I'll have it down below here. Now, before we go ahead and put this on the bike, for those of you that don't know, Eagle Lights, you can use my discount code SWITCHNGEARS. I'll have it down below right here. You get 15% off on your purchase. Now, let's go ahead and put this on the bike. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove both of these bolts. Make sure it's seated in there nice, lefty-loosey.
Righty-tighty.
Lefty-righty, loosey-tighty.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, look at that Loctite. Oh shoot.
Oh Jesus. Snap. Hopefully we don't want to put this on again. We won't scratch it all up.
Well, we done did it. Oh.
So now you're going to need a different size Allen wrench, right?
Yeah. I would like to bigger.
2 sizes up, huh? You think 2 sizes up?
Yeah, 2 sizes up. Let's see.
Oh, you know your sizes.
Yeah, buddy.
You know, we do have wrenches to make this easier, but I'm just making you do it the hard way.
Yeah, we'll do the old-fashioned way, you know.
Alright. There you go. Easy killer. Make sure it's seated. Should just be about done. Now be easy, because once you remove this, it's going to allow the air filter and that plate to fall. Pull back on both the air filter and the plate. Alright, so you're going to want to go ahead and remove both of these hoses right here. Just pull back on them. Pull back. Yeah. Alright, so you see what size we got there?
7/16.
We're going to go ahead and remove both of those first.
Patience.
Alright, there you go.
Oh.
Alright. Look at that, she picked up new tricks. Oh, so we got a little bit of the gasket on here, so we're going to have to go ahead and scrape some of this stuff off before we go and put it on, because we want a tight seal around this. Alright, so now that this is all cleaned up, we're going to go ahead and put the back plate on. Alright, so you got 2 rubber gaskets here. Do you see the little lip that's on each side right here? Mm-hmm. You're going to want to go ahead and put those on right there. Make sure they seat in there nicely, though. Alright, so you're going to want to also put rubber O-rings in these.
Nice and snug.
Nice and snug. Easy enough, both of these bolts are just going to slide right in here. And then we're going to place We're gonna place those over the wings. Yeah, this might be a little bit tricky because these like to pop out if you don't have any grease, which unfortunately we don't really have today. You're gonna want to place those just right on there like that. Since Mrs. Gears has her hands a little bit full, I'm gonna go ahead and get the gasket into place and put some Loctite on these bolts. I'll make this easier for her to slide on. Like I said, we're gonna put this gasket on right here and slide these bolts in. Now go ahead and push it up against there. Don't push too hard, that way the bolts don't come popping out. Alright, now that we got all that lined up, I'm going to go ahead and kind of start this for her, and then she's going to go ahead and do the rest. Alright, now that we got those seated in, Mrs. Gears here is going to finish the rest. Alright, so now that we're finishing this up, for somebody who just started working on their bike, would you say this is a pretty easy install or no?
Yeah, no, it's pretty easy. It just definitely helps if you have somebody else with you to make sure everything's in line.
Alright, so you think you can breathe better now?
But on the bright side, I do like the way it makes my bike look, and it's very edgy now, and it also sounds a lot different. It's actually really sexy. So, and thank you all for putting up with me on my first video. To all the women out there, don't let a man tell you what you can and can't do. So if I can do this, even though I did have the assistance of my husband, anybody can do it by themselves, because I'm pretty sure if I was put to the test by myself, I would easily do it.
Alright y'all, so you heard it from her. It's easy to put on. If you guys are looking to get an air cleaner like this, go ahead and check out Eagle Lights. Use my discount code SWITCHNGEARS. It'll get you 15% off. Or if you want new lights or headlights, they're all great. Their warranty's awesome. Go check them out. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for today's video. If you haven't already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and
see you on the next one.